Okay guys, mind my drawing. These were supposed to be hands, but yeah. So humans have 10 fingers. Because of this, we developed a system known as the base 10 system. You would know this in school where we learned about units, tens and hundreds. Because of this, in the units we would have ones, in the tens we would have tens, hundreds. And in the most fundamental way, that's basically 10 to the power of 0 gives you 1, 10 to the power of 1 gives you 10, 10 to the power of 2 gives you 100. That's how we develop the tens, hundreds and units. Computers though are different. They do not use the base 10 system, they use the base 2. Now, computers can only see 0 and 1 on and off. This system is called the base 2 system. One joke I like to say is that how many fingers do computers have? They have 2 fingers. Anyway, so because of the base 2 system, 2 to the power of 0 is 1, 2 to the power of 1 is 2, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Now, this is actually called the binary system. So when you ever hear someone talk about the binary code, that's just 0 and 1 because computers only have 2 options. Let's say we're to give it the number 13. We as humans are much easier looking. We would see that number 13 and would say, okay, hundreds, there's 0 hundreds. Tens, there's only 1 tens. Ones, there's only 3, which gives us the number 13. So we are able to interpret the number 13 and know its value. If you were to give a computer the number 13, it has no idea what 13 is because it does not use the base 10 system. It does not have 10 fingers. It only has 2 fingers. And in order for it to do that, what it has to do is it has to convert. So using the base 2 system, it would start by writing out numbers. It would start by writing 1, doubling that, 2, doubling that, 4, doubling it 8 until it gets to a number that is less than 13 but close to the biggest. So it will not use 16 because 16 is greater than 13. It will end at 8. So then after it has done that, what it will do is it will say, okay, I have 13. If I subtract the number 8, what do I get? I get 5. Okay, so you'll get a 1. Then if I have 5 and I subtract 4 from there, what do I get? I get 1 as a remainder. Good. Then we put a 1 there. Then it will say, okay, so now that I have 1, if I subtract 2, what do I get as a remainder? Negative 1. That's not going to work. So then it writes a 0. Then the next number is 1. It will say, okay, I still have that 1 because this one did not work. So then I subtract this one from that. What do I get left? 0. Then to write 1. So then its binary code will actually be 1101. And this converted is 13. So these are just the 2 different ways computers and humans see a number. We see it as simply 13. Computer cannot read 13. It has to convert it to binary code.